What's up, fabulous snare drum players? This is part 2 in a 2-part series about band daily habits, a free warm-up that I made just for you. Links to the Smart Music Assessment tool and the PDFs of the sheet music are in the description below. If you enjoy this, if this is helping, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. So a couple drum specific things before we get out of here. All those singles that are in a row, the rights, right, 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 that is on purpose to help you develop your ability to play and use fingers and catches when you go to play. So we want to make sure we're grabbing, dropping, letting the natural bounce and grab occur. If that's difficult for you, back up in our series of learning. I'll go back to some of my earlier videos on how to play fast singles, how to play double stroke rolls. All those things are involved in playing this area good. When you go to play measure 27 and the like with these 16th notes, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Those are double stroke builders, just like we did earlier in the series. Just approach those like you normally do when you're playing double stroke rolls. Make sure they're open. Make sure you're getting a nice good grab and push off of the second hit. Make sure the second one feels like it's accented almost. You're getting a little bit more drive into the second attack from each double. Okay, that about does it. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And keep up the terrific work. You're doing great. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.